I know what you're thinking. You're really chomping at the bit to get to subnetting, but before we talk about it, it's better to learn the IP classes and the subnet masks first, right? Octets of the IP address are broken down to provide an addressing scheme that can accommodate large and small networks. So there are basically 5 different classes of networks, and they range from A to E. We're going to focus on classes A, B, and C, which provide unicast addresses for networks of 3 different network sizes. Class D is for multicast networking, and the Class E address range is reserved for future or experimental purposes. So given an IP address, its class can be determined from the 3 high-order bits, and by that I mean the 3 leftmost bits in the first octet. In a Class A address, the first octet is the network portion. So Class A has a major network address of 1.0.0.0 all the way through 127.255.255.255. The next 24 bits are for the network manager to divide into subnets and hosts as he or she sees fit. Class A addresses are used for networks that have more than 65,536 hosts. In a Class B address, the first 2 octets are the network portion, so Class B has a major network address of 128.0.0.0 all the way through 191.255.255.255. Octets 3 and 4, that means 16 bits, are for local subnets and hosts. Class B addresses are used for networks that have between 256 and 65,534 hosts. And finally, in a Class C address, the first 3 octets are the network portion. Class C has a major network address of 192.0.0.0 all the way through 223.255.255.255. Octet 4, 8 bits, is for local subnets and hosts, perfect for networks with less than 254 hosts.